Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate RealtyHive notifications, full guide step by step clearly. To activate RealtyHive notifications, first, open your preferred web browser. Next, navigate to the RealtyHive website. Once the page loads, look for the login section at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to log into your account. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, locate the user settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the user settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, find the notifications section. Here, you will see various types of notifications available. Select the notifications you wish to receive, such as new listings or price changes. Make sure to enable notifications by toggling the switch to the on position. If applicable, choose your preferred method of receiving notifications, either via email or mobile alerts. After making your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button to ensure your preferences are updated. You should see a confirmation message indicating your changes have been saved. To verify your notifications are working, check your email or mobile device for a test alert. If you do not receive a test alert, revisit the notifications section to confirm your settings. Now you are successfully set up to receive RealtyHive notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.